Hello guys. So we're here at their house. I am with mommy. Mommy.
Hi.
And I am with baby. And baby loves shopping.
Not
I don't love shopping.
only that one. That one lang the kintan lang. Not that one.
He loves getting food that make his tummy big. So he's very hungry and he really wants to eat the kinder. Well, someone is there.
I quit YouTube though.
You quit YouTube already. Why you don't inform me?
Now we need to delete the baby channels.
No, I love that one. Those are your memories. When you are little, how can I delete that? Give. Say something, baby.
Hi.
Why are you hungry?
No.
Ito nga pala yung asawa ko na mabait, kapagmahal.
Naku.
Mahal na mahal ako.
Naku.
Pinagluluto ako ng pagkain.
Naku. Papa.
Tapos napakasungit. Lagi na lang akong inaaway kapag magkasama kami sa bahay. Pero syempre, lagi na lang kami kinukulit ni Gip. Tapos pag natutulog, ayaw kami natutulog maaga. Pero ang higit sa lahat,
Let's go.
love na love ko siya.
Sandali naman, sandali.
Hmm?
Diyos ko naman. Naman pang lalaking ko.
Siyempre,
Saka ng mga tao.
love na love ko rin tong baby ko. So guys, bibili kami ng uniform ni Gip dahil nga summer na, dahil nga magwi-winter na, so malamig na sa labas. So anong bibili natin, Mine?
Uniform.
Why are you laughing like a dog? Do you really love one? Okay, I'll give you. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy, I'll give you one. Go.
Give you what?
This chicken.
Only
No.
one. Because we will pay it later.
Let's go now, let's go now.
I think you're stealing.
No, stealing it. We will pay it later. Stealing it.
So, yeah guys, papunta na kami, bibili kami ng uniform ni Gip. So, feeling ko gagastos na naman tayo ng malaki ngayon. They love shopping. Guys, dito na tayo sa mga bilihan ng mga uniform. And yan, bibilihan na natin tong batang to ng kanyang uniform na baby para magamit mo sa school. You just ask them if they want your chocolate too.
Eat.
What eat? Yan. So guys, nakapamili na siya.
Well, but
Ang presyo ng kanyang short ay $24.
dalawa.
So gusto daw ng asawa ko dalawa. Oh my gosh. 24 plus 24.
Isang pang-winter. Ang Canada.
Oh, that's expensive mine.
Eh, kaysa naman to. Hindi mo pa bibili ng ganun.
$45 ang isa niya, no? Dalawang ganito na yan, no? Maganda na lang si Gip. Ang tawag doon? Yung naka-boxer short. Para maging warm yung kanyang puwet. Amaki mo, this one, yung short, oh, $45. So, pag bumili kami nitong isa, nito, 24 lang. So, dalawa na ang equivalent nun. Mas makakatipid, di ba? Gip, we're looking for your, uniform. We're not playing here. What piggy bank?
That's so big.
Hmm? Do you think it will not fit?
It's worth
I know.
it. Look, it's the hat.
Oh, do you have this one, right? So guys, grabe ang uniform dito ng mga estudyante. Napakamahal. Look. Ito pa yung uniform niya. So how much it costs? $37. Ito, nasa ilalim. Wala. Kailangan kulay green. Walang 12 years old. So hindi kasi kami pwede bumili ng 10. Yung sa kanya, fit lang sa kanya is 12 years old. 7 years old pa lang siya, 12 years old na yung hinahanap namin. Small mine. Why are you sad?
Take up your glass. Kunin mo.
Your glass daw.
Hello, Daddy. Daddy.
I think 14 number po, no? From 14 years old. It will fit.
Paglaki naman ng 40, parang naman yan.
Daddy.